Windows event logs. So on the ingest part, so by the way, I'll go over a little bit, kind of narrate, what that process looks like, and then I will show you the relevant configurations that resulted in this being possible. So that can give you a bit of an idea. So we've configured our sensors to collect Windows event logs automatically. So that's a very quick rule that you can say, I want this log and this log automatically come in. You hit save, and a short while after, they kind of start rolling in. LimaCharlie takes care of monitoring when there's changes, every given amount of time, all that stuff. The Windows event log comes in. LimaCharlie Artifacts Ingestion understands Windows event logs. So although it's a binary format, it's able to parse it. Parses it into JSON, and that's that mirror file. It goes through the detection process. So an organization can, for example, subscribe to the Sigma service. So Sigma service is free, and it applies a bunch of rules that are provided by the community, the Sigma open source project, if you want to look it up. And there are hundreds of rules that kind of cover the whole spectrum of different attacks and anomalies and all that stuff. So if you subscribe to Sigma, it's going to create in your organization a whole bunch of rules that specifically know to target Windows event logs. And that will automatically apply to the Windows event logs coming in as artifacts. So with that one click, you kind of get all those to apply to your artifacts. Any of the detections that happen during that stage will go to just your normal detection feed in LimaCharlie, and eventually into another service that we're launching called Comms that will allow you to kind of get more context around your detections. And that's really kind of the operational consoles for folks doing the security day to day instead of the managing the infrastructure around the security. So that's the detect step. And then in our case, we could say, for example, okay, we're going to retain the Windows event logs for 6 months because we feel that that's a good amount of time. So what does that look like? So here's the two relevant bits. So the top screenshot here is a rule for, an artifact ingestion rule. So where we're saying, hey, I want to collect all from all Windows boxes for the default of 30 days here. Any tags, so I'm not specifying any specific tags. I want to grab the sorry, it's a little bit crunched up here, but you have the security and system event logs. Create this rule, hit save. That's all you have to do. The bottom one here is just a view of the Sigma add-on that you can subscribe to, so the service. So you can go just click to enable it, and once it's enabled, you won't see the rules being created in your DNR rules page, but they're just hidden essentially for you, but they all get created in the background.